Hello everyone. Let's imagine a retail brand receiving thousands of customer reviews every month from online stores, chatbots, and social channels. But turning that feedback into insights takes days of manual work. Analyze read reviews, tag sentiment, and summarize trends, slow, inconsistent, and expensive. What if instead your data warehouse could understand those reviews for you, automatically summarizing key themes and even recommending actions? Let's start over there. The challenge that Databricks solves in its own environment and with help of AI functions. I'll introduce you through SQL AI functions integrating large language models with Databricks SQL. Let's dive into the demo of each and every part of how SQL AI functions work and how we can solve the problem with help of it. Well, over here we can see process analyze text built in Databricks SQL AI functions that provides us the ad hoc operation leveraging the state of the art LLM and optimized for these tasks. Like over here we can leverage functions such as AI analyze sentiment, AI classify or AI gen to generate with Databricks SQL. Going further, we'll be using the customer reviews at scale with Databricks SQL AI functions and custom model endpoint. The use case over here is increasing the customer satisfaction and churn reduction with automatic review analysis with help of Databricks and model serving endpoint, choosing our own model as per we want. We'll be introducing Databricks AI query function, generating data set that will be helping us to use those data set and generating a customer review model. Building SQL pipeline with our LLM to extract review sentiment, and we'll create a pipeline for that. Let's start with built-in SQL functions which Databricks provide. Databricks provide these Gen AI capabilities, help us to perform ad hoc operation, leveraging state-of-the-art LLM optimized for these tasks. We can see the function AI analyze sentiment, AI classify, AI extract, AI fix grammar, AI gen, AI mask, AI similarity, AI summarize, AI translate. Using these functions is pretty straightforward. Under the hood, they call specialized LLMs with a custom prompt providing the fast answers, and we can use them on any column in any SQL text. I've implemented this AI functions which can help like AI Gen generate a concise, cheerful email title for a summer bike sale with 20% discount. Here is the one it generates me. Gives me 5 different answers. AI fix grammar fixes the grammar mistakes which we have, we can apply this on any column we want. Okay, so that is very important. It can classify the text we provided based upon the options also we give. My password is leaked. It is urgent or not urgent? Of course, it is an urgent. And we can translate that into the language we want. So suppose we give the function is so amazing. FR is kind of French, so it is translated into French. I don't know that, but yeah, it's correct. AI similarity. It gets the similarity output based upon the two words given to it. Going further, we'll create our own AI function, the custom functions, with our own model serving endpoint or any foundation model we can use. Here, over here, we can see SQL function that can be created, or we can create a SQL function that can use the LLM model to generate the response and the model of our choice we can use over here. We are using Databricks MetaLlama 3 Llama 3.3 with 70 billion parameters. So over here we can just select Ask LLM model, generate a short product review for a red dress. The customer is very happy with the article, so it will generate it. Here is one of the review. Generating more complete like data sets, so with help of prompt engineering, and that can help us to use that, like we are generating this fake data set to use it forward in our customer product review and answer. and also create a pipeline in the end that could help us to generate more of it like this. So this helps into generate uh, fake reviews along with the customer ID name as well. We can see right here the name, the last name, the order count they ordered, and their respective reviews as well. And now we'll automate the product review and classification with help of SQL functions. Over here we can see simplifying the AI function access for SQL users. We can just create this, like make it into a single table. Then we review the analysis with help of prompt engineering into the Databricks itself with the help of SQL and AI functions. We can just see right here that a customer left a review. We follow up with anyone with who appears unhappy, extract the following information, classify the sentiment as positive, neutral, or negative, returns whatever whether the customer requires a follow up or yes or no. If follow up is required, explain the main reason, and it will generate a proper reply to be given to them. If we see over here, the reviews are not like the reviews annotated, like it will based upon the review, it will see the follow up reason, finds the product too sweet for the taste, the follow up required or not. It will classify into the sentiment. If it is positive, it's okay to not. But if it requires a neutral and it requires a response, it will say yes, and it will also give the follow up reason. Based on this, we can use any model at the back based upon of our choice. And this helps us to generate, like suppose a message. This is one of the example for the Quentin, and this is the response we can be providing to her based upon the message what aims the message to be, and it can ease our response and increase the engagement of the customer with the product or with the company itself. Now it has generated all the review answers which required. Out of the 50, it has generated like 42, so that which required the response along with like the follow-up reason and the response draft for that itself. Now based on this, we have created a pipeline which can, like a silver table, reviews generated silver table and gold table, which helps us to go make a dashboard, because without dashboard, how will be explaining to the main thing, right? That's the main thing, right? So like from bronze, silver, gold, this pipeline gets us to the main business dashboard that will help us to create a proper uh, customer review analysis, which can help us to take business decisions straightforward. Thank you.